what's up? We got cameraman in here again out of request, but in front of the camera. That's good. Good job.
Oh,
frick. Just not gonna retake it. This is awkward.
Very, very awkward.
Sorry we've been gone for like 3 days. I really screwed up the algorithm by being gone, so if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. That helps so much. You know, I was at the camp with my grandparents, and they are going to die soon because they're old, so you gotta spend time with them before they die.
That was harsh.
It was factual.
I don't dispute that.
Fact of nature. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So, boys, you guys know we love surprises on the channel. We actually have a surprise unboxing from, I'm just gonna let Ian explain, bro. I did not think this was gonna be the video today. Where did we get this? We got it right here, boys.
Yeah, I didn't really see this one coming either, but,
Story time with Ian, the cameraman.
So I have an uncle. He's got a fair bit of money. But he's also kind of known.
We're talking M's actually. I didn't even ask this for 10 reasons.
No one's really sure, but
So like maybe $1 million.
Oh, for sure more than that.
Nice. Why are you living here? The f
Because he's my uncle, not my dad. Well, I mean, he didn't.
I'm just kidding. Anyway.
You don't get rich by giving your money away, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
He's kind of a known as a bit eccentric, bit of a man of mystery in the family.
Apparently.
But anyway, he every now and again he'll send me a package, and this one, well, a couple days ago I got an email from him saying, "Hey, I'm sending you a package. Open it on camera."
I didn't even know this dude freaking watched our videos.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't even know him at all, and I'm kind of concerned for you that he sees that you're living with an absolute dumbass. But
I really wonder what he thinks, but I mean, he must like it a bit.
So anyway, what did he say in this email? This is hilarious, boys.
Literally all it said was, "I'm sending you a package. Open it on camera. LOL."
Okay, so
That's all it said.
is this dude an asshole? This is my next question.
No, I wouldn't say he's an asshole. He's just like, in the past I just never know what's gonna be in something he sends me for Christmas or whatever, you know?
I'm just weirded out, boys, that he'd send something for the channel.
Totally out of the blue.
It looks right now like a VHS tape.
I mean, honestly, it could be a VHS tape. That wouldn't be totally out of character.
At least it's not big enough to be a dildo. It's just getting trolled by our own. Alright, boys, so without further ado, we've got a mystery package from his uncle that watches our videos, and I'm so ashamed that he has to see me like that.
Yeah, well,
He didn't see the wannabe flap my wiener around, did he? I hope not.
I don't know. There's a good chance. Anyway, that's a story on this thing. So, do you want to open it?
Go for it.
No, it's your video.
I'll open it, but now you're freaking me out. He doesn't build balls, does he? No, I'm just kidding.
Well, no, nothing like that.
Just kidding. Alright, boys, let's get into it real quick. Ian, tell your uncle, like, obviously whatever's in here is for you, but tell him thank you for giving content to the boys. That's really freaking cool.
Yeah, thanks for the content. This is really interesting.
I'm still hoping there's like a VHS tape of like a Star Wars would be sick or something like that. You know what I mean? We could watch that today.
That'd be interesting.
Anyway, boys, it's not a VHS tape, Ian. And he's a wonderful rapper. Does he have a wife?
No.
She wrapped this. Oh no, he did. No, it's not wonderfully wrapped. I'm just joking. Ian, he might have sent you money, bro.
Oh wow, yeah, this is like the envelopes they give you in like a bank or something. Totally. Well, except it's
not that it like that matters,
it's too small to actually be cash, but like it's heavy.
Yeah, I don't think it's actually. It's a little heavy. Open it in a sec after this ad. This video is brought to you by GameBrandFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. And we're back already.
I
just wonder what the... Do you think it's jewelry?
Yeah,
oh
it is. It's a silver chain, man.
Is that silver or white gold?
I don't know. I mean, it's...
No, that's not... Oh, bro, he sent you a chain!
Yeah, a big one. A big one.
Yeah, no,
he really does watch this channel.
Is that that's solid.
Yeah, I know, it's heavy.
That's 925, bro. Right there.
Okay, oh
the
yeah.
lighting's kind of crappy in there. Sorry, I just took your thing.
Yeah,
bro, put it on! No, don't do that.
Okay,
it's too small.
That doesn't work.
Holy hell, what a gentleman, bro. Not even, what a savant.
Wow, yeah, he sent like something good for the channel, actually.
Give me his email or phone number. I'm gonna text him or give him a call. Dude, that's sick. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. Like, I don't.
He's gonna let you keep it, right?
Yeah. Well, he said. Yeah, I'm assuming he didn't ask for it back.
What a gem! I've never talked to this man.
Yeah, this is sick.
Take it off. I'll show him in detail. I've actually never seen. Well, I've seen that style, but usually, like, what's that? We've seen it everywhere, but it's usually fake diamonds all over it. That's a heavy chunk of silver, bro.
Yeah, it is. Like.
Yeah, content. I was afraid we wouldn't be able to put this up because you just like I don't know, sent you a book, you know?
Yeah. Well, no. I mean, he really must watch the channel.
Holy
Like,
crap!
that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is cool of him. What do we call this? What does he do for work? Did I ask you that?
He
Real estate.
Yeah,
okay. Real estate. Okay. Your real estate agent sent us things. Extremely rich person sent jewelry. Mystery box unboxing. Holy crap! That's sick of him. Awesome. I think that's it for the video, boys. Real quick. Unless you want to say something, bro. Are you gonna wear it? Do you think?
I might actually. Like, it's not. I don't usually wear like a lot of jewelry, but
I think it looks cool on you.
it is. It actually doesn't look bad. Like, it's a little more of a simple piece, which is probably what I would want to wear anyway.
No shit.
Yeah, man. Hey, if you're watching this, which I assume he is, thanks. This is really cool, actually.
All my jokes about you in the beginning were jokes, by the way. I hope I really must understand my humor.
I'm assuming. Yeah, I'm assuming he knows.
Oh, wow, bro. Thank you so much, Uncle. What's his name? Oh, you don't have to put that on YouTube. Anyway, thank you so much, Uncle, for sending this for the channel and free, and that's freaking awesome. Boys, appreciate you for watching. We're going to chalk this up almost of the series of people sending their unwanted jewelry, pretty much.
Yeah.
People have been liking that series. Like, people have been sending their unwanted jewelry from, like, hitting me up on Instagram, and, like, one was a retired rapper. I already had Millionaire, but,
Yeah, no, you're right. This is a little. There's some dents and stuff. Like, this is used.
Yeah.
So
it's his personal piece.
Wow, he must have actually been like following what you're doing on the channel. Wow.
That's sweet, bro. Well, I don't know if it's from that video, but I mean every video.
Or he's just
jewelry,
good guess.
Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Ian, you killed it. Your uncle killed it more than you just came in and killed it more than I did. So I'm gonna go myself. Bye. Turn off the camera, cameraman. Just kidding. I'll do it.
Oh.
That's mean.